Meet MetaboliQ, an AI nutrition coach powered by Nova AI inside the Nova ecosystem. MetaboliQ helps you analyze meals, build personalized weekly plans, review your progress, and answer any nutrition question, all in one simple AI-powered workflow. It starts with your profile. Users add their sex, age, height, weight, activity level, goal, diet style, cuisine preference, budget, allergies, and personal notes. MetaboliQ instantly calculates your BMR, TDEE, and a daily calorie target, which powers every recommendation. In the Meal Photo tab, just upload a photo of your plate. Nova AI identifies each food, estimates the portions, and returns a full calorie and macro breakdown with a confidence rating and a personalized coach note tied to your goal. The Weekly Plan tab generates a complete 7-day meal plan tuned to your target calories, diet style, and cuisine preference, and it strictly respects your allergies. Each day includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks with exact macros, plus an auto-generated grocery list. Every week, the Weekly Review tab lets you log your weight, adherence, energy, sleep, and hunger. Nova AI produces a written verdict, tells you exactly what to change, and updates your calorie and macro targets for the following week with real numbers.
The Nutrition Q&A chat answers any food, supplement, timing, or metabolism question with full context of your profile. Here, it builds a simple, high-protein Mediterranean plan for someone training in the evenings, lactose and peanut-free.
A built-in Nova AI guide walks you through every feature in your own language. And MetaboliQ is always clear that it provides general nutrition guidance only and does not replace a doctor or registered dietitian.
Metabolic makes nutrition planning easier, faster, and more personalized with the power of AI. This is just one of the growing collection of AI apps inside the Nova ecosystem. Try it now at novaecosystem.live.